Hello guys, our today's tutorial is about how to make a tissue paper holder from the household items. The material we will be needing for this is a box. The box should be a cube. The box I am using here is actually 12.5 centimeter in length, breadth and height, and it's a cube. Tape, scissors, pencil, two rubber bands. You can use any color of rubber bands, and of course the tissue roll. We will start with the tutorial now. Take a cube box and cover all the sides with the craft paper. You can use any color or any print of the craft paper, whichever you are comfortable with. Now one side of this box should be cut like this, in this dimension, from where the tissue paper will come out. So this side of the box should be kept downwards, from where tissue paper will come out. So by keeping it downward, the sideways two sides, we will mark two holes, from one hole from this side, another hole from this side, from where we will put a rod. The rod I am using here is a pencil. We will put the pencil in which the tissue roll will be placed. Now the one side of this box is open. I have kept it open like this. We will close it afterwards. Okay, so we will put this pencil in the tissue paper like this. Put the pencil in the tissue paper, and this end of the pencil, put it in the upper hole. Put it in the upper hole like this. This is placed, and this end of the tissue paper should come out of the opening we have made in the downward direction, in the downward side. This end of the pencil or any rod you are using should come out through this hole. This hole I am showing you, and yes, this will come out through this hole. Now this box is closed. Now this box is closed. The rod or the pencil is put through and through. The tissue paper inside is rolling very smoothly, and see the tissue paper is coming out. Now to secure this rod or pencil from slipping, we will use these two rubber bands. These two rubber bands will tightly secure and will not allow the slipping of the rod or the pencil. Like this, one side, and same on the other side. On the other side, see, now this rod will not slip, will not come out by itself. Now this end of the this end was open to put the tissue paper. Now we will close this end by using this tape. With the help of this tape, we will close this end like this. Just like this. Okay, see, from this hole I am going to put this hole in the marking, in the screw I have already made. I will put this hole in this screw like this. See, now this is safe and secure, and this box will be placed here, and this rod will not come out. This is so secure, and the tissue paper will roll slide downwards, slow, sleek, and so slightly coming downwards. See, so this was the whole tutorial about how to make tissue paper holder at home with all the household items. You don't have to buy any of the items from the market. All these items are available in our house. So guys, if you found this video helpful, keep liking it, sharing it, and subscribing to my channel, Dr. Simran's DIY channel. Thank you folks. Thank you for watching this video.